Hi guys, in today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best gas-powered snowblowers you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Ariens Deluxe snowblower is a durable high-performance machine designed for efficient snow removal in residential and commercial areas. Powered by a 254 cubic centimeters Ariens AX engine with 12.5 foot-pounds of torque, it has a 24-inch clearing width and 21-inch intake height to handle substantial snowfall. This two-stage blower features 14-inch steel serrated augers and impellers for powerful snow cutting, a heavy-duty cast-iron gear case, and a 200-degree remote chute control with a 50-foot throwing range. Convenience is enhanced by self-propelled speeds, auto-turn steering, an electric start, and a headlight for low-light operation. The PowerSmart 24-inch two-stage gas snowblower is a robust solution for handling heavy winter snowfall. Equipped with a powerful 212 cubic centimeters engine, it efficiently clears snow with a capacity of 2,400 pounds per minute and can throw snow up to 40 feet. Its two-stage operation combines an all-steel auger and impeller to cut and throw snow, while a self-propelled system with variable speed allows for easy maneuverability. Convenient features like an electric start, LED headlights, and remote pitch control enhance usability, making the snowblower a top choice for effective snow clearing in challenging conditions. The Cub Cadet 2X 26-inch snowblower is a powerful two-stage machine designed for residential snow removal, ideal for handling heavy snowfall. Equipped with a 243 cubic centimeters intellipower engine, it provides 18% more power to manage challenging wet snow. The 26-inch clearing width and 21-inch intake height make it effective for deep snow. Key features include electric start, trigger-controlled power steering, and a self-propelled drive for easy maneuvering. The heavy-duty construction includes a steel chute and reversible skid shoes, while dual LED headlights enhance visibility. This durable, efficient snow blower offers reliable performance in harsh winter conditions. The Honda HSS 928 ATD is a premium two-stage snowblower designed for powerful, efficient snow removal in heavy winter conditions. It features a robust 270 cubic centimeters Honda GX engine with a 28-inch clearing width and a capacity of 1,900 pounds per minute, ideal for deep snow. The electric start system provides easy ignition, while the track drive ensures excellent traction on uneven surfaces. Key features include a hydrostatic drive for smooth speed adjustments, an adjustable auger height for varied surfaces, and an electronic chute control with a 52-foot throwing distance. Added conveniences like LED lighting and a digital hour meter enhance usability. The Toro Power Max Heavy-Duty 1030 ohae is a powerful two-stage gas snowblower built for heavy-duty snow removal in challenging winter conditions. Powered by a 302 cubic centimeters four-cycle OHV engine, it offers a 30-inch clearing width and 21-inch clearing depth, efficiently handling large amounts of snow. Key features include an electric start, anti-clogging system for smooth operation, and a 49-foot snow discharge. User-friendly features like quick stick chute control, triggerless steering, self-propulsion, and heated hand grips enhance comfort and ease of use. LED headlights and multiple speed options make it suitable for low-light heavy snow scenarios.